how to get popular on YouTube. Getting popular on YouTube is a dream for many people, especially those who enjoy creating content and want to share it with the world. But becoming popular doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and smart strategies. Here are some key steps to help grow your channel and become successful on YouTube. 1. Choose your niche. The first step is to decide what your channel will be about. Choose a topic you are passionate about, whether it's gaming, cooking, education, tech reviews, or daily vlogs. A clear niche helps people understand what to expect from your channel and builds a loyal audience. 2. Create high-quality content. Good content is the key to popularity. Make sure your videos are clear, well-edited, and have good sound. Plan your videos, write a script if needed, and try to make them interesting and entertaining. 3. Be consistent. Upload videos regularly. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to a schedule. This helps your viewers know when to expect new content and keeps them coming back. 4. Use good titles and thumbnails. Your title and thumbnail are the first things people see. Make them catchy but honest. A good thumbnail can attract more clicks, while a clear title helps your video show up in search results. 5. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, join communities related to your niche, and collaborate with other YouTubers. The more places your content is seen, the more chances you have of gaining subscribers. 6. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and listen to your viewers. When people feel connected to you, they're more likely to subscribe and share your videos. Learn and improve. Keep an eye on your analytics. See what works and what doesn't. Learn from successful creators. Experiment with new ideas and always aim to get better. Conclusion. Getting popular on YouTube isn't just about fun. It's about passion, patience, and persistence. If you create content you love and give value to your audience, your channel has a great chance to grow and succeed. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.